So I'm here to try the SpongeBob Meal from Burger King. There's my drink. They did not have the pie that comes with it, so they gave me a Hershey pie. The cost was $15.89. So let's see what this meal is all about. Let's unpack it. Let's get this camera up here a little bit. And now I tried the McDonald's Grinch meal. So if you want to see that video, it's on here. Okay, what we got? We have the Krabby Patty. We have the bacon cheese tots. The drink. And Hershey's pie in place of Squidward's pie. So let's open this Krabby Patty. Just a little more. Now, I am in the beautiful, historic park of Cumberland Gap. I got this from the Burger King in Middlesboro and drove up here to eat it because, you know, this is a great place. Okay, so here is the Krabby Patty. This is so neat. It really actually reminds me of SpongeBob. So let's taste it because I keep thinking I'm going to be able to taste this yellow food coloring or whatever makes it this yellow color. So let's try. They did not give me any napkins. No, I do not taste the yellow color. Let's try this drink because it has some kind of foam on top of it, and it looks icy. So let's see. It's very pineapple-y, and it has that kick of carbonation. Oh, that's very good. Okay, let's try these tots. There they are, the tots. Very interesting. It has a cheesy, buttery, bacony flavor. They're crispy. It's very nice. Okay, let me try this Hershey's pie. Again, because they did not have the pie that comes with it, the Squidward pie. So, oh well. But we're going to try this anyway. I've never had a Hershey's pie from Burger King. So we're going to try it. Looks very good. Open my fork. And, oh, it's very soft. That looks so luscious. Oh, that's very good. Very good. It's not overtly sweet. But this is awesome. I'm going to finish this up, but between this Krabby Patty meal and the McDonald's meal, the price of the McDonald's meal was better, and you got the socks. But this, I'm sorry, McDonald's. I'm going to have to say this is the one. If you don't agree with me, Sorry. If you do agree with me, good. So tell me in the comments, what was your favorite? The Krabby Patty meal or the McDonald's Grinch meal? Let me know.